Good afternoon. I'm Devin Skillian in for Karen today on First at 4. We're following the latest on the coronavirus here in Michigan, and the alarming trend continues with another increase in new cases. Today, the state announcing 6,473 new cases of the virus. Another 84 Michiganders have died from it, though 25 deaths have come from a review of vital records. The total number of confirmed cases in the state now over 223,000 and nearly 8,000 deaths. Doctors now have an additional weapon to help treat certain COVID-19 patients. Federal Food and Drug Administration has approved emergency use for an antibody treatment developed by Eli Lilly. The approval is for use of the treatment on people with mild to moderate infections, but who are also at a high risk of complications. It's hoped these antibodies will help kickstart the patient's own immune system in the fight against the virus. It is not for home care use. It has to be given in a hospital or a healthcare setting. Eli Lilly says they hope to have 100,000 doses available within days. Patients will be given that treatment at no charge. The U.S. Supreme Court takes up the latest challenge to the ACA, the Affordable Care Act, today. The justices heard oral arguments on whether to invalidate the entire Affordable Care Act, better known to many as Obamacare. Kimberly Gill tracking the latest developments in the newsroom. Let's get to her. KG.
Hi, Devin. Good afternoon to you. It's the third time the court is hearing a challenge to the Affordable Care Act, this time with a 6-3 conservative majority, with newly seated Justice Amy Coney Barrett, who before her time on the bench had been critical of previous rulings. At stake, as you've said, the health coverage for more than 20 million Americans, along with coverage for those with pre-existing conditions and coverage for those who benefit from Medicaid expansion programs and ACA exchanges. This issue is whether or not a 2017 congressional amendment zeroing out the tax penalty for individual mandate coverage invalidates the entire law. Attorneys for the Trump administration and other Republican state attorneys general say it does. But attorneys for the Democratic-led House of Representatives argue the law can function with or without the individual mandate. A rally in favor of the Affordable Care Act took place outside the Supreme Court as the justices hear arguments to strike it down. The people gathered outside the High Court are sharing stories of how they've benefited from the ACA. President-elect Joe Biden speaking moments ago on the risks of getting rid of the Affordable Care Act. Listen.
When a family is faced with the awful news of a child's diagnosis with leukemia, cancer, an accident that leaves loved ones unable to live the life they've always known, it stops your heart. In that moment, the very last thing on your mind, the very last thing should be on your mind, is whether you can afford the treatment. The Affordable Care Act was created to put a stop to that inhumanity.
Now, the court today signaling the Affordable Care Act will likely remain in place even if they rule against the individual mandate. The hearing comes at a critical time. As you know, the nation continues to grapple with the coronavirus.